99% of people use Opus Clip wrong, and that's why they never make money. In this video, I'll show you how professionals use free AI tools to create viral shorts with no watermarks, no risk, and complete ownership of your content. Step 1. Upload your long-form video into Opus Clip and let it analyze. Step 2, and this is where most people mess up. Do not click export. Instead, look at the timestamps Opus Clip recommends. These are the moments with the highest retention potential. Write down the exact start and end times of the top-rated clips. Step 3. Open your original high-quality video file in CapCut Desktop. Now, manually cut those exact timestamps. This is critical. When you export directly from AI tools, you lose bitrate, quality, and control. When you cut manually, you keep 100% original file data. No watermarks, no compression, no AI fingerprints. Now this is where most AI channels expose themselves. In CapCut, add manual captions, not auto-generated junk that looks the same everywhere. Control the font, control the size, control the timing. Your captions should follow the voice, not lag behind it. This alone separates a spam shorts channel from a real brand channel. You can highlight keywords, add pauses, or emphasize tension. Things AI caption tools can't do properly. By doing this, you keep maximum bitrate, clean metadata, and total creative control. You're not publishing AI output, you're publishing edited content assisted by AI. And yes, there's a difference. This is the difference between amateurs and professionals. But here's a bonus almost nobody talks about. The first 2 seconds of a short matter more than the entire clip. If there's no conflict, no curiosity, or no clear benefit, the algorithm shuts you down. AI shows you where the attention is, but it doesn't decide how to open the video. That's why the hook is created after the edit, not before. You first identify the strongest moment. Then you design the opening line to punch directly into that moment. Re-record the first 3 seconds or use a high-end AI voice like ElevenLabs to state a problem or a shocking result immediately. Professionals don't guess hooks, they engineer them. If you want shorts that look clean, professional, and monetizable, this is the workflow. Not exporting, not shortcuts, not AI spam, just full control.